God is the one who knows. More and more we learn as our knowledge grows. All that is and that which will be. Meaning of life is a gift to live for eternity. One thing is for sure, no accident has occurred. The meaning of life is found in God's holy word. So very much we do not understand, but no matter what, there is a perfect plan. To give God pleasure is one good place to start. The only way to do that, surrender to Christ your heart. After all has taken place, whatever on earth is done, once this life is past, we're going to see God's Son. Meaning of life is real, there is no grand illusion. Only by rejecting truth you cause your own exclusion. The soul who has found peace, the only answer we do need. Live each day for Jesus and plant the gospel seed.